What I hope to gain and why I like EPP is really the opportunity to stay ahead of pricing trends and pricing challenges in the industry, and also to understand how other companies are dealing with those trends and challenges. And then secondly, also the opportunity just to network and connect with industry peers. So it's always fun to be here.
What I like very much about the event this year is that there's a great mix from different industries. So it's not just human pharma, it includes animal health, but also medtech companies. So that's really great to see how companies do pricing with different challenges and from different perspectives.
As always, great initiative, put together a lot of people with different backgrounds. Very innovative discussions around pricing for medical devices and life sciences companies in general. Sometimes transformative ideas that can bring a lot of value to people working in pricing. So congratulations also this year to Pol Vanaerde and the team. Well done, great session, and looking forward for next year.